So, it's July 4th and happy 4th of July sa mga taga-Amerika, to my mom, to my sister, to my brother, and sister-in-law, Jessica. Happy 4th of July, of course, Pam! And today, it's my cousin's birthday and we will have lunch and go gala for the rest of the day. I will bring you and vlog whatever I can vlog later, and depende, sana hindi ako tamarin mag-vlog, so you guys can see kung ano na naman ang gagawin namin mamaya or nagagawa namin every time na mag-get together kami. So yes, see you later, and yeah, I hope you will have fun.
Ah, nakakauna ko na di.
Daruho style mga day.
Di ka dili day. Tumawod ba kada mo? Oo. Jing.
Ruho subong ka ano na.
Seaside floating restaurant. Ito man to.
Ay na ito. Sabi sa magupo.
Where's Elmo? Where's Cookie Monster? Do you like Big Bird as well? Huh? Yeah. See? We're in the ocean, right? Let's see. You wanna see? Here? You can stand here.
Ito naman.
Ano ka? Para palaban nilang bako sa kalapis.
Tangalisa ka naman. Para
Sassi, triple block wins. What a bad thing saved by Lorenzo. Another chance ball here for Indonesia. Gani sets it up. They go back to Denji. Sassi this way. He was critical. Mistake from his family.
Huh? Fish? Look at the fish. There's fish.
Hi, Manong Ring.
What's that?
Manong Ring. Oh, wow. They're swimming. Ano naman? Where is that?
Octopus.
Confidence clearly on the side of Alas Pilipinas at this stage of set before.
Adrenaline as well. You had a feeling this Catalo's gonna go for it.
Okay.
Oh, picture na. Picture.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Yay! Blow the cake, blow the candle.
Blue.
Another one. Another one. Stronger. Again. Yay! Happy birthday. Gia, picture rin sila, Gia. Okay, picture. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Blow the candle. Strong. Other one. Other one. Stronger. Woo! Yeah! Party, party. Aftermath. Kita? Yummy lang ano. CR.
Oo, namin.
Ito? Oh, hindi pa.
Apa oh?
I just got dropped off because actually may movie pa kami dapat because sobrang sama ng pakiramdam ko and of course it's kain now suffer later kasi every time na it's seafood and grabe yung sikmura ko sobrang sakit. And nahihilo ako and yes, I vomited guys. I vomited all over me. Look, all over me. Even my pants and the car. So the car needs car wash, like deep clean car wash because it's gross. And I vomited everything I ate and wala, magpapahinga na lang ako and hindi na maka-movie, hindi na makagala. It's a bummer but wala na tayong magagawa doon. Well, yun, doon kami kumain sa Balaring. It's in Silay. And Silay is the like the Paris of Bacolod. Kasi yung mga ancestral house parang sa Spanish style. So yeah, doon kami kumain sa Balaring and we ate syempre seafoods and we had crabs, shrimp, talaba. God, yung kinilaw na fish na tangige is so good, as in sobra and sinigang na tanige, calamares, sisig, pork liempo. What else we had? I can't remember. So yeah, that's it for this vlog and happy birthday to my cousin. And himala na sa birthday niya ngayon hindi bumabagyo kasi every time na mag-birthday yan bumabagyo talaga yan guys. So happy 4th again sa mga taga Amerika and happy birthday to my cousin. And yeah, I still had a great time. Hindi na naman ako nagsisisi na kumain ako ng seafood. Kasi na-anticipate ko naman yun every time na kumain ako ng ganun. So yeah, it's just kadiri lang talaga ngayon na wala akong choice. Kailangan ko siyang i-vomit sa sarili ko kasi hindi ko ma-open yung car door because nasa overpass kami. So hindi pwede mag-open ng door. And yeah, kailangan ko nang maligo and magpahinga. Kadiri si RC, but this is life eh. And grabe yung yung pawis ko na ang laki, ang bubutil talaga. So yeah, magpapahinga and magme-medicine na naman, pero it's okay. At least nakakain ako ng masarap, 'di ba? Walang pagsisisi pa din, and that's still a family bonding. So thank you guys sa panonood sa vlog na ito, and yeah, God bless you all. Bye everybody. See you on my next vlog. Please don't forget to comment, to like, and share this video so yeah, everybody can see it. Bye everybody.